Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode. In this episode, we have a few examples for pre and post operators so that you can understand better what is the difference, for example, between post increment and pre-increment. And for that, we have created a program in here. Let's go and execute this program. In the first part, we are trying to demonstrate post increment. We have given C a value of 5. First, I have printed C by itself, no changes. Then it's 5. And then I have post incremented C. You can see that in post increment, the current value of C is used and not the new value of C. And finally, after this expression, the new value of C is used. But in pre-incrementation, you can see that I have C as 5. But then in pre-incrementation, C has already gotten its new value, which is 6. And finally, at the end, it has its value of 6. And this way, I wanted to show you what is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. And I hope that you have understood the difference. If you still haven't understand, let me know in the comments below and I will try to make more clarifications on this. Now let's go and see a few notes about pre and post incrementation or decrementation. So when pre-incrementing or decrementing a variable and a statement by itself, the pre-increment and post-increment forms have the same effect. For example, if you have a C++ or ++C, it is the same. These two statements are actually equivalent and the same to each other, and there is no different effect to these statements. It is only when a variable appears in the context of a larger expression that pre-incrementing and post-incrementing have different effects. As we already showed you this in the example in here, that pre-incrementing or post-incrementing have a different effect when you use it in a context of a larger expression like a printf. Then it have a different effect. And also remember that only a simple variable name may be used with these two operators such as plus or minus. Attempting to use the increment or decrement operator on an expression other than a simple variable name is a syntax error. So you cannot really write something like this x plus 1. This part should not be an expression, it should only be a simple variable name, and that variable should be an integer. And that's it for this episode. See you in the coming episodes.